There was this little misunderstanding that broke out between CZ of Binance and Armstrong of Coinbase. This was how it all went down. Following the collapse of Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX, a lot of exchanges have been under serious pressure to show their proof of reserve, and some of these exchanges have been doing so while others have been adamant. And the reason to show proof of reserve is to gain confidence from investors. If you come over here on CoinMarketCap, you can see now there is a new feature on CoinMarketCap, and this feature is this little coin button you're looking at here. This pretty much shows the exchanges that have their proof of reserve intact. And as you can see here, we have this one here from KuCoin. You can see Bitfinance. If we scroll down here, we can see other exchanges that their proof of reserve is publicly available, right? If you click on this OKS, okay, these are some of the exchanges that have shown their proof of reserve. We have this Huobi here, and then we'll have crypto.com. Let's scroll down to see if we can see more from other exchanges. I think that's pretty much it for now. So where does this take us to? This takes us to Grayscale. Grayscale is one of the largest holders of Bitcoin, so they have been under fire lately to show their proof of reserve, but they kind of refused, citing security concerns. However, they did admit that their holdings, their Bitcoin holdings, are with Coinbase, as we can see from this tweet from their official Twitter page. As we can see here, it says all digital assets that underlie Grayscale's digital asset products are stored under the custody of Coinbase Custody Trust Company LLC. So you might want to read this to get more information about what they're really talking about, okay? In addition, Coinbase came out to acknowledge the claim, but this was where the misunderstanding started. CZ of Binance tweeted this. So Coinbase Custody holds 635k BTC for Grayscale, citing this news source here. 4 months ago, I assume it has less than 600k BTC, citing this news source here. Just stating the news reports, not making any claims. Glassnode probably has more up-to-date data. Now, this tweet by CZ has been deleted, but Armstrong of Coinbase kind of saw this as some fraud, and he quickly replied. If you see any fraud out there, remember our financials are public. So he kind of replied quickly with a link to shareholders' letters disclosing their business metrics and key information that you might want to know. You can see here, you might want to take a look at this. It's actually linked in his Twitter post, right? So what happened next? This tweet by CZ didn't last for long. I think it was up for about 5 minutes before he quickly deleted it. According to this tweet here, as you can see, Brian Armstrong just told me that the numbers in the article were wrong, deleted the previous tweet. Let's work together to improve transparency in the industry. To recap, basically what happened was that CZ Binance wanted to be sure of the amount of Bitcoin belonging to Grayscale that was in Coinbase custody, right? He was citing news sources, but Coinbase replied quickly, stating clearly that the figures were wrong, and they actually gave more information in that later. You might want to read it, okay? So this was kind of what happened. I love what is happening in the crypto space. Everybody's becoming more careful to avoid losing trust from investors. The best thing anybody would want to do is to make sure they take custody of their crypto assets. Remember the popular saying, not your keys, not your crypto. The best thing you might want to do is to make sure your assets are in hardware wallets, okay? So having said this is it for this video. Remember, not financial advice. Make sure you make your own personal research before you take any action. This is BrigsLBs, and it's your guy Ken signing off.